that's what you do. Show me some love. Whip, got it, whip, got it, yeah, got it. SBF, got it.
Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Shantae. If you are new here and if you are a subscriber, welcome back, girl. Today I wanted to bring to you guys an Empties video, and I know this is kind of like an old school YouTube video, but these kind of videos I love to watch, and so I want to do videos that I enjoy doing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video as well, because I have been holding my trash for you guys, okay, for a very long time. And some of these products I have emptied and I love, and some of these products that I emptied and I was just trying to get my money's worth. Okay, so but stay tuned to see which one of the products that I truly love and which other products that can go back in the trash and I will never use again. Okay, so the first product that I have is the Pearlessence Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. It's a brightening facial serum. Now, if you have been watching my videos, you know I am in love with this product and that I get it from TJ Maxx. Okay, this product was $6.99 for a 2 fluid ounce bottle. You just apply a few drops into the palm of your hands, rub it together, and put it on your skin. At first, I used it just for my daytime skincare, but now I've been using it for my daytime and nighttime skincare. I do like that this product has a dropper. It says that vitamin C delivers powerful hydration, and it really does. Like, it makes my skin feel really hydrated, very moisturized. Sometimes I can put this on and forget to put on my moisturizer, so that's how good it moisturizes and keeps my skin hydrated. Now, this product I will definitely repurchase. Actually, this is probably like my 5th or 6th bottle of this. All right, so we're just gonna keep the skincare going. Okay, so this is another Empties. I have the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask, and I seen it on Instagram advertised, and so I was just like, this is supposed to be like, you know, vitamin C for brightening. And so I was just like, okay, I seen a lot of good reviews on it, a lot of girls with, like, you know, dark spots on their skin, and I was like, I have some dark spots on my skin as well, so I was just like, why not give it a try? So this is empty, and they also give you like a little brush to go with it. Some people said it burned them a little bit, but it did not burn me at all. And I do have sensitive, acne prone skin, and this did not bother my skin at all. It has turmeric, which is, you know, that's the ingredient to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, as well as aloe vera. I normally mask 2 times a week. This is another product that's iffy because it was kind of expensive. I think it was, raw off the top of my head, $30–40. This is a 2 ounce container. You want to invest in your skincare, so if you want to invest in these products, are good, but you know, if you're on a budget, then I don't know, but I do love this product. Next skincare product, I have the Gold Bond Ultimate Healing, the 7 intensive moisturizers and 3 vitamins, and this is the fragrance free. Like I said, I have sensitive skin all over, and with lotions and moisturizers I usually use fragrance free products. So this is a product that I love, and I have repurchased this about 3 times. It keeps my skin so moisturized and glowy all at the same time. Like, sometimes I do use another type of oil on top of it to give it a little bit more shine. Like, I hate sticky lotions, and this is not that. This is another empty that I will repurchase, and I have repurchased because this is empty, of course. But this is the last skincare. Yes, this is the last skincare that I have, and this is the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel, and it's the Pore Perfecting Toner. I love this for my skincare. This is probably, I don't know how many bottles. I've been using this for years, so I don't know. Maybe it done went through about 10 bottles of this. I don't know. I love this. I just get a cotton pad and put it on my skin sometimes, and also I put it on my neck as well. Don't forget your neck, ladies. Don't forget your neck. Okay, this gets the extra dirt off of my skin, so I love this for that. It keeps me clean and perfects my pores. I have huge pores in this area, especially on my nose. I need to find something to get rid of that, but this helps me out a lot, and it just makes me feel extra clean after I cleanse my skin. All right, so I'm gonna move on to hair products. So I have these right here. This is the Sugar Bear hair vitamins biotin with biotin, folic acid, and vitamin C, and these are vegetarian gummies. I did not see like a big change in the length of my hair, but you know, I don't know, I really don't pay attention to that sometimes, to be honest with you. But I did feel like my hair was very softer and my hair was shinier after I got my silk presses. You take 2 bears a day, and they come, I think, yeah, 60 gummies in the containers. Now, let me tell you, okay, I will not repurchase these. Like you see, I repurchased, you know, I bought one then got another one, but I wouldn't get another one. These things are like $30, $30 or $40 a jar. No, I'm not doing it again. But I really did like this product. If you want to try it and see and document, you know, your length. I really haven't did that. I need to find a product and do that. The next hair product, I have told y'all about this product in my recent videos, my previous videos. So this is the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Hair Mask. And I was using this up, y'all. I was using this up. Every time I do my hair, wash my hair, I'm using this product because it makes my curls pop in the shower. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Moisture replenish and strengthens your hair. So that is what I'm really like working towards my hair, getting it strengthened, getting the curls back, because I don't really have tight curls. I have loose curls anyway, so whatever makes my hair even curlier, yeah, I want it. I will definitely repurchase, and I will probably get some this week. The last hair product that I do have is the Pantene Truly Natural Hair Shine Serum with Argan Oil. Now, I've had this for some years because I really don't put a lot of serum on my hair, so I just use like a little, like 2 little pumps for my hair because my hair gets weighed down so fast, especially when I have a silk press. But I do love this product. Now, I don't even know if they sell this product anymore because I got it from Walmart years ago and I've been using it ever since. So I don't know if they still sell this product, but if they did, I will buy it again because it is so lightweight. It's not heavy on my hair. Even if I accidentally put too much in my hand and put it on my hair, it's still good. The next empty product is very random, but it is the Listerine Cool Mint for a fresher, cleaner mouth than brushing along mouthwash. So yes, I have used this plenty of times before. I don't know how many bottles I finished this, but what I want to tell you guys is that actually I'm not going to repurchase this because if you know the TikTok mouthwash that's all over the internet, I'm going to actually buy that and try that because I wanted to try something new. I'm not going to repurchase this right now. I'm going to try something else different, but if that doesn't work, I will go back to the trusty Listerine. So the blue box. Alright, so the next Empties product I have is some smell goods, y'all. Some smell goods. So the first thing is this rose water and ivy gentle foaming hand soap with essential oils, and this is from Bath and Body Works. It is the brand White Barn, and I love this smell. I love this smell. It smells so pretty. Like, I just love washing my hands with it. And this is the foaming one, and it feels so good. It feels so hydrating. Doesn't leave my hands dry. I will definitely repurchase this, like a whole bunch of containers of this. I also have the room spray of this, which I keep in my car as well as in my room. So yes, I will definitely repurchase this. So the next and last Empties product we have for this video, you guys, is the Maxx Turquatic Perfume. Now, I have been talking about this perfume ever since I started my channel. I love this perfume for the summertime and the springtime. It just smells so fresh and just beachy. Oh, it smells so freaking good. This is actually my 3rd bottle of this. I've been wearing this for years. I love this so much for the spring and summer. Like, I spray a whole bunch, and when I spray a lot of perfume. It's a little bit in here, but it's like truly gone. So I wanted to incorporate this into this empty to let y'all know y'all need to go and try this perfume. All right, beauty, so that is the end of this empties video. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button as well as hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you like these type of videos or what you want to see on this channel. And don't forget to stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll see ya. Bye.